In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly link your TikTok account to Restream and set up a live stream to reach your audience seamlessly. This process will empower you to expand your live streaming to TikTok while leveraging Restream's capabilities, and we'll walk through it step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to the Channels section within your Restream account. Locating this will be your gateway to expanding your streaming horizons. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Add Channel. Now, as you scroll through the options, you'll find TikTok Live. Select this, and you'll be on the path to connecting with your TikTok audience through Restream. The next crucial step is to log in with your TikTok account. Enter your credentials carefully, and be sure to grant the necessary permissions when prompted. These permissions are essential for Restream to broadcast your content to your TikTok followers. Once you've successfully linked TikTok, you're just a few steps away from your first stream. Now, we'll move on to creating your new stream within Restream. It all starts with clicking on New Stream. Here, you'll need to choose your streaming method. Restream offers you several options, whether you prefer using their native studio, OBS, RTMP, or others. Select the one that best fits your setup and comfort level. Following your choice of method, you'll need to fill in the stream details. This includes inputting an engaging title and selecting the appropriate category or game or topic you're planning to stream. Make sure this information accurately represents your content to attract and inform your viewers effectively. Importantly, don't forget to toggle TikTok as your channel destination. This ensures your stream reaches TikTok specifically, along with any other platforms you also want to target. As you set up your video format, it's wise to consider the viewing experience on TikTok. The platform is optimized for mobile users, so Restream advises using a vertical or portrait orientation for your stream. This simple yet important adjustment will help capture the optimal view on mobile devices and enhance viewer engagement. Once you've made all these preparations and are satisfied with the setup, it's time to share your content with the world. When you're ready, click on Go Live in Restream. This action will broadcast your stream to TikTok as well as any other platforms you've chosen to go live on. Make sure everything is set up and tested before clicking this button to ensure a smooth streaming experience for your audience. And there you have it. A seamless process for connecting and streaming to TikTok Live through Restream, bringing you closer to your viewers and enhancing your live streaming strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming.